My name is Siddharth Rastogi. I'm the Executive Director of MBS Engineering. We are India's largest supplier of nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen gas generators. We carry a proud legacy of over 30 years of supplying over 7,000 gas generation systems the world over to more than 56 countries. Prior to using Sage CRM, we were using some cloud-based CRM solutions, as well as we had some homegrown solutions, some Access databases, some Excel sheets. There was no cohesive way in which we could access the information. So we got to a point where the cloud-based CRM outlived its purpose with the kind of unique challenges that we have in India, and we started to seek out a CRM that we would be able to host in-house. Being able to host in-house, number one, from a security standpoint is much better for us. As well as the speed of access became a lot better, and then we have total control over what data we want to archive, when we want to archive the data. We were looking for a system that allowed us to have a cohesive experience. We wanted a single view of all of our leads and opportunities, whether they were leads that were coming in by a phone call, whether they were leads that were being generated through our website. So we wanted that integration where the CRM would allow all of this to be automated, so not somebody would have to type all of that information again. Plus, some of the challenges that the management team was facing, we wanted to alleviate. So a lot of manual reporting was being done in the past. So the performance of the sales team, the metrics thereof were not easily done. Now, thanks to Sage CRM, we have all our database in a central database. It's in a common repository. Unlike in the past, we don't have to go to 3 different locations, and we don't have to refer to a lot of the physical files. Just at the click of a button, all of that information gets available in a very single, cohesive, easy to read report, and the drill down capability is there. We are able to categorize a lot of these opportunities, whether it's a hot case, whether the management team needs to get involved in this. Sage CRM is a very well-known name internationally. The sales team that is present over here understands the product really well. They were very responsive, and once the implementation started, then the team came and demoed the product to us, and they went through a lot of the hand-holding as we started to use the software. We are very satisfied and very happy with the implementation of the Sage CRM, since it has become an integral part of our organization. Now, the first thing that all of our salespeople are doing, they log into Sage, they see what their day looks like. It's become almost second nature to them. It's become a habit.